Ever feel like your home has been hit by a Yuletide tornado post-Christmas celebrations? You're not alone. This scenario is all too familiar for most of us. The joy and merriment of Christmas often leave behind a trail of chaos. Empty gift wraps, glittery decorations strewn about, and let's not forget the pile of dishes in the sink. It's almost as if a festive tornado swept through your home, leaving you with the daunting task of cleaning up the aftermath. But don't let the sight of this holiday havoc get you down. We're here to share with you a set of simple, manageable cleaning steps that will help you restore the peace and tranquility of your home in no time. Yes, you heard it right. In just 45 minutes, you can transform your home from a festive disaster zone to a serene sanctuary. So grab your cleaning gloves and let's get started. Stay tuned to transform your home from a festive disaster zone to a serene sanctuary in just 45 minutes. Before diving into the cleaning, a little prep goes a long way. Just as a chef gathers all their ingredients before cooking, so should you assemble your cleaning supplies before starting your tidying tornado. You wouldn't want to be halfway through your cleaning spree only to realize you're out of glass cleaner, would you? Now let's talk about the tools of the trade: a good quality vacuum, a sturdy mop, microfiber cloths, and your trusted cleaning solutions. Having everything on hand will make the process smoother and more efficient. It's like being a general leading your troops into battle. You need your equipment ready and in top shape. But let's not forget the secret ingredient, the cherry on top, the thing that makes everything better: music. Create a cleaning playlist with your favorite tunes that'll have you dancing and singing your way through the cleaning. Who said cleaning couldn't be fun? With your cleaning arsenal ready and your favorite tunes playing, you're all set to start the cleaning marathon. Don't be overwhelmed by the enormity of the task. Divide and conquer is the way to go. Now, before the panic sets in at the sight of your cluttered living room, let's take a deep breath and remember the golden rule of cleaning. One room at a time. Imagine your home as a giant puzzle and each room as a piece of that puzzle. You wouldn't try to force all the pieces together at once, would you? Of course not. You would start with one piece and then gradually add the others until the picture is complete. The same logic applies to cleaning your home. Start with the room that's easiest to clean. For many of us, that's the bathroom. It's small, confined, and the tasks are pretty straightforward. Scrub the sink, shine the mirror, sanitize the toilet. Once the bathroom sparkles like a Christmas star, you can move on to the next room. Next up, the bedroom. Tidy up the bed, clear the nightstand, and don't forget to dust off that dresser. Take a moment to appreciate your progress. You're doing great. Now let's tackle the living room. Pick up any stray items, fluff the cushions, and give the coffee table a good wipe down. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. You're not in a sprint, you're in a marathon. Finally, the kitchen. This might seem like the Mount Everest of cleaning tasks, but don't be deterred. Start with the dishes, then move on to the counters, and finish with the floors. By breaking down the cleaning process room by room, you can transform what seems like an insurmountable task into a manageable one. It's all about focusing on one area at a time to avoid burnout and keep your momentum going. And voila, you've just cleaned your house in a jiffy. So the next time you're faced with the daunting task of cleaning your home, remember to divide and conquer. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day, but your home can certainly be cleaned in 45 minutes. Hey there, amazing viewers. Just a quick break from our cleaning journey. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our clutter-free community. We're all about creating a clean, organized, and stress-free environment, and we'd love to have you with us. Now, we know that decluttering can be a daunting task, but remember, you're not alone in this. Share your thoughts, ideas, and your own personal cleaning hacks in the comments section. Let's create a dialogue and learn from each other. And here's a little surprise for you. We've put together a free ebook titled Simplify Your Home. It's a step-by-step guide to a clutter-free life. You can find the download link in the video description. It's our little gift to you. Now, let's get back to our cleaning journey. Up next, some ingenious cleaning hacks you won't want to miss. Stay tuned. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get down to business with some fantastic cleaning hacks. First up, the dreaded holiday glitter. It's festive, it's sparkly, and it gets everywhere. But here's a trick that's going to make your life much easier. A lint roller. Yes, that's right. The same thing you use to get fuzz off your sweater can be used to pick up those pesky glitter bits and wrapping paper scraps. Just roll it across your surfaces and watch. as the glitter sticks to it like a moth to a flame. It's a quick and simple way to keep your space glitter-free this holiday season. Moving on to another common holiday catastrophe, stains on the carpet. Whether it's red wine, cranberry sauce, or the dreaded chocolate fondue, these stains can be a nightmare to clean up. But fear not, because your secret weapon is hiding right in your kitchen cupboard: baking soda. This household staple is a natural stain remover and deodorizer. Just sprinkle it onto the stain, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then vacuum it up. Voila! Your carpet will look as good as new. Next up is pet hair. We all love our furry friends, but their hair can be a bit of a nuisance, especially when it clings to our furniture and clothing. But there's a solution for that too: a rubber glove. Simply put on a dry rubber glove and run your hand over the surface where the pet hair is. The hair will stick to the glove, making it easy to peel off and dispose of. It's a quick and efficient way to keep your home pet hair-free. Are you tired of constantly dusting your furniture? Here's a clever trick. Use a dryer sheet. Yes, you heard it right. The same dryer sheet you use in your laundry can be used to dust and polish your furniture. Not only will it pick up dust like a charm, but it'll also leave a fresh, clean scent in its wake. And finally, let's talk about the kitchen. It's the heart of the home and often the messiest place during the holidays. But with this little hack, you can keep it clean and shiny. Lemon and salt. Cut a lemon in half, sprinkle some salt on it, and use it to scrub your kitchen surfaces. It'll not only remove stains and grime, but will also leave your kitchen smelling fresh and citrusy. So there you have it. 5 incredible cleaning hacks that will help you keep your home spotless this Christmas. From glitter and pet hair to stubborn carpet stains and dusty furniture, these tricks will make your cleaning routine a breeze. And the best part? They all use items you probably already have at home. With these hacks up your sleeve, you'll be a cleaning superhero in no time. The finish line is in sight. Time for the cherry on top, the finishing touches. Let's dive right in. You've worked hard, your home is sparkling clean, and it's time for the piece de resistance. Those little details that transform a house into a home. We're talking about the finishing touches, the final flourishes that add warmth, charm, and a welcoming vibe to your space. First off, let's talk about the magic of scented candles. Ah, can you smell that? It's the scent of accomplishment. But seriously, a flickering flame coupled with a comforting fragrance can dramatically alter the mood of a room. It's like the olfactory equivalent of a warm hug. Choose a scent that you love, whether it's crisp pine, warm cinnamon, or fresh linen, and let it waft through your freshly cleaned home. It's an instant mood lifter. Next, let's fluff those pillows. It might seem like a small thing, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. Fluffing your pillows not only makes them look more inviting, but also helps them maintain their shape longer. And hey, who doesn't love a good pillow fight? Just remember to fluff them back up afterward. Finally, let's talk towels. Setting out fresh towels in the bathroom or guest room is like rolling out the red carpet for your guests, or for yourself. It's a small gesture that says, I care about your comfort. Plus, there's something undeniably luxurious about wrapping yourself in a fluffy, fresh towel. These small details might not seem like much, but they can make a big difference in the overall feel of your home. They add that extra layer of coziness and warmth, making your home not just clean, but truly welcoming. And voila! In just 45 minutes, your home has gone from chaos to calm. Now who's ready for some well-deserved relaxation? Phew, that was some serious cleaning action, wasn't it? But hey, look around you. Your home is not just clean, it's inviting, it's cozy, it's a space you can truly relax in. Now that's what we call a job well done. But before you kick back and enjoy your well-deserved relaxation, we have a small request. If you enjoyed this video and found our cleaning hacks helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our SmartLife Solutions channel. We've got loads more tips and tricks up our sleeves to help you simplify your life and turn your chaos into calm. Plus, we have a special treat for you. Check out the video description below to get your free Simplify Your Home ebook. It's a comprehensive roadmap to a clutter-free life, filled with practical advice, step-by-step guides, and lots of inspiration to help you maintain your newly cleaned home. Remember, a clutter-free home leads to a clutter-free mind. So, let's embark on this journey together, one room at a time. Now go ahead, relax and bask in the glory of your beautifully clean home. You've earned it.